Hi everyone. So today we are going to learn about how does this sounds travel, right? Okay, so as you guys are the curious mind, so do you know how sounds get from one place to the another, right? Let's say your friend is standing across the playground, right? And shouts your name, right? So how do you hear them? So today we are going to find out that, right? So sound is like a wave, like how we talk about an ocean wave, right? Same goes with the sounds as well. They are also like the waves, right? So that travels through the air. Yes, these waves travel through air. You're correct, right? So the sound waves are created when something vibrates. If I'm clapping, so the air over here or the sound over here is my hands are vibrating. So you can say you are able to hear it. That okay, I'm clapping, right? If I put up a tap on the table, so the table vibrates for a second or for some moment, right? You are able to hear it because I put up a tab and that vibrations causes the sound, right? Okay, so when we talk about these vibration like we learned before, but the point arises, how does they travel? So if you see in water, right? Okay, in water, if you see the ripples of the water, so it says sometimes it causes up sounds of ping, and you put up a drop over there on the water surface and it's very silent, right? So it causes sounds as well. So but here's something cool, right? You will be surprised to learn that sound can also travel through a solid and liquids as well. Yes, because water is itself a liquid, right? Correct. But yes, sounds can also travel through solids as well. Okay, like if you see it up an example, it's a tumbler. Now, if I put up a pen over here, so it causes up a sound like again, right? Yes, so they can also travel. Let's take one more example. Okay, let's just imagine that we are having up a wooden door, right? Okay, you put up a knock on it, right? Now that knock is going to create a little vibrations in the door, right? In the wooden structure, right? And then on the other side of the door, you're going to be able to hear that okay, somebody's knocking on my door. I need to open it, right? I need to ask who is it, right? Okay, same thing goes when you put your head under the water and someone speaks. So first of all, the oxygen bubbles will be there, right? But you can still be able to hear them because you get an idea, okay, somebody's calling my name, right? So that's because the sound is traveling through the water, and that is how it travels with the help of the waves, right? So do the sound vibrates, or I'll say the sound wave vibrates the air. Okay, the sound wave vibrates the air, and then those air particles, like whatever air particles we are having, they push it against each other, there's a collision, and like they're bombarding with each other, and then the sound waves make up all the way go to your ears. Air particles push against each other, moving the sound wave all the way to your ears. Okay, so this is how we can say that the sound travels in waves, right? Something like this, right? Through air, through solids, through liquids as well. And that's how you hear sounds even from far away. So, isn't that amazing, right? So, there's like so much more to discover about the sound. So, I'll see you the next time, right? For more fun learning. Bye bye.